Hey guys, what's up? My name is Seep and welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is all about beauty content. Here we do lots of makeup looks, lots of skincare and lots of beauty hauls. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how I did this look, and it's really simple, really quirky, really creative. At the same time, it's not very loud too. You can definitely not wear it to work. If you want to, you can, why the hell not, but no. So anyways, so this is the look and let's just get started with the video. Before we do, if you're into beauty content, consider subscribing, and now let's get started. Hey guys, so let's start. Now I'm going to start off with my base makeup, which is the quickest base makeup in the world. It does not include any foundation. It just includes compact powder, and this is pretty good. This is Fit Me Maybelline one, quite affordable. I think it's under 200 rupees or something. So I just use this. I prefer not to use foundation every day. Neither should you. Like, don't. So I've used it. So I have super duper oily skin and I've used it on this half of my face. I have not used it here, so you guys can see that this has immediately become matte and this is still that glowy. So it's more like oily than glowy, to be honest with you. So yeah, it's really good. It's perfect, like, you know, for everyday office wear, stuff like that. Just keep it in your bag and just get along with it. I mean, it's amazing if you're somebody who has oily skin. And like, foundations are great, but you can't really use foundations every day. They will spoil your skin, especially if you've not taken them off correctly, or if you've had it on for a very long time. Like, you can't wear it to office every day, foundations. But this is amazing. Like, not just this, but like any compact which works for you is pretty good. Even the translucent ones work pretty great. Okay, so the next thing that I do for my base, I use this Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force palette. If you're regular to my channel, you would know that I just use these couple of products. I don't really believe in having lots of products for your face and stuff. I mean, I have, but I wouldn't recommend that. You don't need 2-3 bronzers, 2-3 highlighters. If you have one palette, it kind of works for all, you know. And even if you're a blogger, you don't need too many. You just need to have just one of each. Get done with that, buy more, kind of thing. Wouldn't work for eyeshadow palettes though, because you just need different types to create looks, right? Anyway, so I use this and I'm using this flat brush for contour. So I don't really do a heavy contour. Cool. So this is how the contouring looks. So guys, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ, you know, बहुत ज़्यादा makeup या बहुत ज़्यादा contouring face का especially नहीं कर दिया. Keep it simple. But can you guys see the difference? Like, I have double chin, as you guys have noticed. So as you guys can see here, a little bit of the chiseled look does come with contouring. Here, while it's just, well, not there. So it does help if you're somebody who has a face like me. And then moving on to the blush. This palette is like super pigmented, so it's best if you use like a little bit. Makeup always, you know, take less product first and then build it up. अगर आप एक साथ बहुत ज़्यादा product ले लोगे, then you will never be able to smudge it out or buff it out, and then वो फिर, you know, उसको control करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. So it's best if you take थोड़ा सा, then if you want more, take more, like that. So done with the blush, and it's really pretty color. It just gives a little bit of color to your cheeks. That's about it. And also make sure कि जब भी आप contour and blush लगा रहे हैं, so it should like look flawless. It shouldn't look as if ये contour है, ये blush है, like that. So it has to like look flawless. Then moving to the highlight part. Now, not a very big fan of only this highlight. Like, I've worked with better highlighters, but it's not bad either. But it will not give you that blinding kind of highlight if you're into that. So you might not like this highlighter, but it is something that gives, you know, like a glow to the face, if you guys can see. But yeah, not that blinding glow, just like a natural glow. So this palette can be amazing for people who are, you know, working every day, want to do a little bit of makeup, add a little bit of glow to their face. could be that, and very good for like workwear people. But if you're going for an evening, if you're going for a party, if you want that glow on the face, then it can be a little boring because it'll not give you any. So for that, probably use a liquid highlighter or use something a little bit more stronger. Then for the lips, I'm using this lipstick which I got in the Fab bag. This is Visionary by Revolution Pro. It's a superb nude shade, and if you don't know me, I love nudes. And yeah, so watch. Look at this nude, isn't it beautiful? Like, it's beauty. And then I'm gonna use this lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner, and it's just beautiful again. This is the K by Katrina Fame lip liner. So this is like a dark brown shade, and if you're somebody who's into nudes like me, like light nudes, dark nudes, pink nudes, like the nude world altogether, this will go with all the colors. I mean, of course, if you're my skin tone as well, but this is like dark brown, so it will pretty much go on all Indian skin tones. So yeah, and I like to do the outline after I've done my lipstick. So yeah, I mean, it's just my way. You can do the regular way of putting the lip liner first and then going on with the lipstick. So do you guys see the difference? Like, I don't have it on the top lip yet. So it does, you know, make your lips look a little plumper, like that. And also I keep it as close to my lip line as possible. I don't like make it too big. That's the thing. I really like it. Some people like to smudge out their lines, but it's a personal thing. I like it like that, and it kind of makes your lips look a little plumper as well. Alright then, now moving on to the part which most of you guys came here for, which is the graphic liner. I will be using the pink and the purple shade because it kind of matches with what I'm wearing. Okay, so if you guys want to see a full video of these graphic liners, how to use them and stuff like that, I've already made a video. I'll link it up here, or I'll simply put it in the description box and stuff like that, so you can check it out. Otherwise, it's very simple to use them. This is by the brand Woho. It's a small Instagram business brand. All you have to do is like spray some water in it. So I have this spray bottle, and I'm just gonna, like, just one is enough. You don't need a lot. Don't, like, because if you put in a lot of water, it will lose its pigmentation. And you need a brush like this. You will definitely need to invest in like these like, they're very affordable. They're 300 rupees में 6-7 brushes. Like, these are nail art brushes which you can easily get from Amazon. So yeah, because like with this brush only you can get that precision. You're not gonna get it with, you know, like normal makeup brushes, blending brushes and stuff like that. You're not gonna get it. Like, you can't use this like blending brushes, you know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, if you want the lines, if you want to use it all over your eyes, then it's a different thing. Anyway, so I've taken that pink and let's go. Oh, one more thing, you do not need to do any kind of prep for this eye look. Like, just make sure that your base is clean, your eye base is clean, nothing else. You don't need to use any concealer, any eyeshadow primer, nothing. So you saw that one swipe motion. So that's how, you know, these brushes kind of help. That's it. And I'm gonna try and make the same thing on this eye, which I find difficult, but let's try. Okay, so I was planning to use the purple like another line, but I'm kind of just liking it like this. Like, it's very simple yet very nice. So I think I'm gonna let it be. I just like it. So do you guys see, like, just one simple thing and you have a very vibrant, different makeup look. And this is the kind of look I'm sure you can just wear outside too. I mean, it's nothing that loud too, you know what I mean? And these days, these kind of looks is something that's in, so why the hell not? Then moving on to the mascara, I'm quite liking this Faces like magnetic eyes mascara by Faces Canada. It's quite nice. Do you see? like this is like of course no lashes, this is, and it actually looks like I'm wearing falsies. To be honest with you, I'm not a very big fan of falsies. Like I like to keep it, at least the lashes part, natural. So yeah, I mean I like those magnetic eyelashes that I use, but this, like, you don't really need lashes, just look at it. Then last thing, for my waterline, I'm just using a nude kajal. This is by the brand Pack. It does make a difference, if you guys can like make out. We're done. That's it. It's a very simple and a very quirky and a very creative makeup look, and all you actually needed to create the creative makeup look is this. Now you can't really do this with like eyeshadow palettes. Like I've tried that, mixing that Inglot mixing thingy and all of that, but it doesn't work. I mean, these are the best things I ever bought. Like I love playing around with them. You will not regret buying these for sure. If you guys want, link will be in the description box. If I have not put the link in the description box, just DM me or put it in the comments, or just search Voho Beauty on Instagram. You'll find it yourself, okay? Because sometimes I just get a little lazy. So yeah. Right then, that's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're into beauty content, just consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean the world to me, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.